Hello everyone. Today is Monday, May 25th, 2026, Memorial Day. The first thing I want to mention to the public is today is not Happy Memorial Day. It is Memorial Day, honoring all the servicemen and women who fought in war that sacrificed themselves for part of our country. So I want to mention that part. Second of all, I have a train I have made just for today, Memorial Day. Even though we were closed, I wanted to make a short video of a train passing by that I put together. Now the lead engine, I presume a lot of people will like it because of the colors. And I have 2 cars involved, 4 cars total. One is a box car, 2 baggage cars, style cars, and then an observation car on the rear. Now, if a lot of people remember when George H.W. Bush passed away, they had the George Bush funeral train. Well, because of today being Memorial Day, I am going to include that car to show all the servicemen and women who were in war that passes by when they see the funeral car, to remember all of them. And one other thing before the train, I have the train passing by. Every time that I'm in our museum and I see a gentleman or a woman wearing a hat and it says something related to veterans, I will say thank you for your service. So here is my creation of a train in honor of Memorial Day. And there goes all your people for a memorial service. Thank you for watching.